Hey friends, welcome to new video of Microsoft Office tutorials. Friends, in this video we are going to learn three methods to change our text into uppercase, lowercase and propercase. So here we have some data that we are going to use in this tutorial, and here we have three blank columns in which we will write uppercase, lowercase and propercase text using different methods. So friends, the first method that we are going to use is to use functions. Maybe most of you would have know about these functions, but I'm using this just to show you something and just to compare this method with other methods. So here I will write upper because we need to change our text into uppercase, and we can select this function here from, or we can complete our function using tab. I will press tab, and now I will select this text or this cell because we need to change this text into uppercase, and I will press enter. You can see here our this text has been converted into uppercase, and I will use same function for this complete column. And here same method I will write here lower because we need to change our text into lowercase, and I will select this text, press enter, and you can see here we have lowercase text in this column. And here we need here proper case text, and I will write here proper. I will press tab and I will select this text. I will press enter. You can see here we got here proper case text, and I will use same function or same formula for this complete column, and you can see here a proper case, lowercase and uppercase text. So friends, this was our first method, but the problem with our first method is that if we delete some data from original data, the data that we got from original data using function is also deleted or removed. So this is problem with our first method. The second problem with this method is that we cannot change our text here on its place into uppercase, lowercase or proper case. So we have to add one more column where we can change our text into uppercase or lowercase. See, here we have our original data or original text, but we need one more column to change uppercase, lowercase or proper case text. Now for second method, what we need to do, as we want to change this text into uppercase, lowercase or proper case. So what I will do, I need to write here, I need to bring this same text into uppercase text. So what I will do, I will write same text in uppercase. I will write smart water. So now I have written first cell of this column in uppercase. Now what I will do, I will press Ctrl plus E, and you can see these cells are automatically filled with same text but in uppercase. This method is called flash fill. You can also do this by going here in fill and then flash fill. Now we use this method, or we will use here option to write here lowercase text. So what I will do, I will write same text in lowercase. I will write smart water, and here I will bring my selection here. I will go to fill and I will go for flash fill, and you can see here complete text, here all text, this original text came here in lowercase. So same method for proper case. I will write smart water, and I will press Ctrl plus E, or I will go to fill and flash fill, and you can see this is auto fill or this is flash fill with proper case, this lowercase and this is uppercase. The benefit with this method is that if we delete original data, this new data that we got from original data is not removed. This means this method is better than first method. So friends, now we are going to learn third method. To use third method, we don't need these extra columns. Now what I will do, I will just select this complete text that I need to change into uppercase, lowercase or proper case, and I will go to Microsoft Word and I will paste my data here. And what I will do, I will just select my data and I will go here, and I can change my data into lowercase, sentence case, uppercase, capitalize each word, juggle case. And when I can also change it using shift plus F3. See, now I'm pressing shift plus F3, and now it is changing into proper case, uppercase, lowercase. Now this is sentence case. You can see here this is sentence case, lowercase, sentence case. Now for example, if we change it into uppercase, I will press shift plus F3, and now this is uppercase. And what I will do, I will just copy this, I will go back in Excel and I will paste it here, and now you can see this is our complete data in uppercase. And we can also change, maybe now I will press control shift plus F3, and now this is lowercase. I will copy this and I will go again in Excel, I will paste it here, and now you can see our original text is in lowercase now. And for this method we don't need to add even extra column. These were three methods to change our text into uppercase, lowercase and proper case. So friends, if you like this video, please don't forget to share this knowledge with your friends, and also please forget to give thumbs up, and if you have still not subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay friends, bye bye.